Welcome back to the CARCare test drive lessons. In today's lesson, we'll discuss reminders in CARCare. Reminders are made up of three components. First, we have a template. A template is a collection of recurring tasks that relate to a specific type of vehicle. A recurring task identifies a service activity that needs to be performed based on a regular interval. And finally, a reminder is the item that CARCare will create when it's time to perform preventive maintenance on your vehicle. I'll turn to CARCare and we'll go to the Templates toolbar button and click that button. You'll see some sample templates that we've included in the database that came with CARCare. We're going to create a new template for our Toyota Yaris. To do this, I'll right-click in the upper pane and choose Add New Template. First, we'll give it a name, and that'll simply be Yaris. And for the description, this will be Routine Service. And I'll click OK. So we now have a new template, which is currently empty. What I'll do now is begin adding recurring tasks. And again, a recurring task identifies a service activity that needs to be performed based on a regular interval. To begin, I'll right-click in the lower portion of the window and choose Add New Task. We're going to schedule this task by usage. The type will always be maintenance for anything related to maintenance on your vehicle, and we'll give it a description of LOF, which is short for Lube Oil Filter. And we'll say that this is going to be due every 8,000 miles. We're going to base the first reminder on the current odometer. We're going to lock the initial reminder so it doesn't move until the activity is performed at least once, and we're going to display a gauge face on the main window. I'll click OK. This will add the LOF task to our Yaris template. Next, I'll right-click, choose Add New Task, and this time, this will be for a tire rotation. This will be due, again, every 8,000 miles, and it will be based on the current odometer on the vehicle. What I'll do now is right-click once again, and we're going to add a third task, and this will be to replace our cabin air filter. This particular task is going to be set up based upon time as opposed to usage, and it will be due every 24 months. I'll click OK. So just to recap, for our Yaris template, we've added three recurring tasks. The LOF will be due every 8,000 miles. We'll replace the cabin air filter every 24 months, and we'll perform a tire rotation every 8,000 miles. What I'll do now is click Close. We've now created a template for our Yaris. What we'll do now is we're going to apply our new template to our vehicle. To do this, I'll move to PM Setup. I'll right-click on our Yaris and choose Apply Task Template. We'll pick the Yaris template and click OK. I'll close. This will kick off the reminder scheduling process. Now, in the lower right area of the main window, you'll see our reminders that are in place in the status pane. Our LOF will be due at 9,200 miles because the current meter on the vehicle is 1,200, and our interval is every 8,000 miles. The same would apply to the tire rotation, which is going to be due at 9,200 miles. Our replace cabin air filter reminder will be due April 29th of 2023. This is the recommended approach for creating reminders. You create your template, you add your recurring tasks, and then you apply the template to your vehicle. Once the template is applied, you won't see it again appear because it's already been applied. And this is what will create reminders. As time passes and as the odometer on the vehicle increases, these reminders will begin to appear on the reminders window for our Yaris. This concludes a quick demonstration of how to create a template and how to apply the template to a vehicle. Please be sure to continue to view the remaining CARCare test drive videos to learn more. And thank you for watching.